Hey everybody, in this video, I just want to show you real quick how you can use the animations from Animations Pack that you usually download from Fab. They usually come with root motion. The advice that I see for the most part is to lock the root motion and use the animation in place. That's great for gameplay. But if you are doing a cinematic like I'm doing right here with this character, then disabling the root motion can be a little bit troublesome because you will have to devise how much you can translate this character forward so it matches the animation. So in this case, there's an easier way to do it where if you got your character, you got your animation pack right here. All I'm going to do is you can see that when he gets into this point, if I duplicate this clip, he is going to go back to the original root point. And all you have to do is place your scrubber right here, right click on the new clip. In my case, I'm going to do it to pelvis. And now you're going to see that when it gets here, he keeps walking forward. And because I already added that option to this clip, I can just duplicate it however many times I want. And he'll just keep walking forward and forward. As you can see, everything is seamless and there's no issues. The animation loops very good. And he keeps going forward. Now, if you want to get things a little bit more complex, you could add another type of animation, which this pack adds a turning animation where he goes to the left. So I am actually going to add that one right now. You can see that when he gets here, then he's going to go back because that is where the original point was. All I have to do is place my scrubber right here, right click, do the same thing that I did before, go to pelvis. And then when we get here, he's going to do that and turn. And you can see there is a blend. Now there is a little bit of a hitch here because of the way that his shoulders were positioned when they created this animation, which that is something that you can fix really quickly with Control Rig. So hopefully this tutorial is helpful. I'm going to revive this channel again, start posting videos on this channel again, as well as the brand new channel that I got. So if you're a previous subscriber or if you just found my channel, I'm going to be doing more tutorials that are game oriented and cinematic oriented. Make sure you subscribe for that, like and comment because it really helps the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.